I'm going to spray some Sedgehammer down. Try to get rid of all this sedge. I got a patch right around here. It's like 10 by 10. And I think I'm good over here. Yeah, none down there really. And I have a bunch growing in these weeds right through here. It's the second patch. Got a little bit growing in here. That's about it. 3 patches primarily. A couple specks here and there. Been a tough weed year. I've got the 1 packet mixed with a gallon of water. Shaken up really well. This we're going to use to apply it. Finished. Check back in 2 weeks.